That is why when Allah describes paradise, He always uses a description. Khalidina fiha. Amazing. You see, they will be dwelling in there forever. Forever. Khalidina fiha hasunat mustaqarran wa muqama. Wow. Here's Allah describing it to say, dwelling therein forever. What a beautiful abode. And what a beautiful place to be in forever. Jannah, it means on earth, there are nice things that we aim for. I ask the youth who are here today, what would you like? Many people will say, I want a nice car, I want a nice house, I want a nice job, and I want a very beautiful. You see, a small boy said wife. Wallahi, small boy, he knows what he wants. Did you hear it? Wife, wallahi. They say no wife, no life. May Allah grant us ease.